Hello ladies, welcome back. Here is the first of the favourite musical artists' journals, and this one I've called Country Roads. In it I've put the country music journal spreads because I thought they would go best together, and Elvis is in there too because he could have gone in any of them really. But anyway, I'll put him in with the country music because I think he was a country boy, wasn't he, to start with, Suzanne? I think so. It's a little bit before my time, but not much. Anyway, here we are. So this is Country Roads, and this is the cover. And I've got a nice big glare in the middle because this is a shiny photograph on the front. Pretty, isn't it? That picture. So I'll just show you through the journal how I've done it, and this will be put in a drawer for you ladies to draw for, and somebody's going to win it, but I would ask that whoever wins it pays the postage so that I can send it without too much cost to me. This is the inside cover. There's a pocket there, and I'm going to put some ephemera in this envelope that you can decorate, because I haven't done all of the journal myself. I've done quite a bit of it, but I've left a lot of scope for you, whoever wins it, to finish it off. So I'll put some more in here, but this is the ephemera packet, and that will have things like tags and what have you, countrified things. So I'm going to just show you through it now. A lot of the pages have got pockets in that you can fill up. Pockets and tags. And you'll be able to add more, of course. Here's some graph paper. And here's Meta's journal spread, which you've seen before in a previous video. I think it looks really nice in here. This was a kit that I got on Etsy from Fifi's journal kits, I think it was. There weren't many of that subject, so I was pleased to find. But these are from Screech Owl Studios, the country journal kit that she does. And this is the second signature. A little tuck spot there. There's plenty of room for storing and for putting the papers and envelopes in. And here's Elvis, which really looks great in any journal, I think. Love that, Suzanne. Oh, these are carrots. The tuck spot. And now the third signature, and this is Carol's journal spread. All the journal spreads were lovely, I thought. Very colourful, lots of thought went into it. And all told, I think it was a very good challenge. And there we are, and there's a pocket at the back as well. This is a needle cord material, so it's quite robust, but I haven't stiffened it in any way. So there you have it. And I'll put that in the drawer. Let me see. Today's Saturday. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow about this time tomorrow, 4 o'clock my time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking part.